Hey you travel lovers, welcome back to Wanderlust for Life, and today we have something very exciting.
We're going to check out a UNESCO World Heritage Site and then go to the center of Sardinia for a local village experience.
Yeah, we are doing a day trip and I am so excited, so let's go see what we can get into. Alright guys, we're at the only UNESCO Heritage Site here in Sardinia, and we are going into one of these old towers. There's 7,000 archaeological spots here, but this is the only UNESCO Heritage Site, and it's absolutely incredible to see what people did so many years ago. Check it out.
Nothing like Dutch stairs, those are way hard.
So we finished looking at all the towers, and we don't actually know the purpose behind them more. But there are 2 wells and various towers, and it could have been used for so many different things. But that's all part of the mystery, and what we're learning is there's a lot of mysteries that go along with Sardinia, and it's kind of cool, because then you can kind of come up with your own theories, try to figure it out for yourself. I just want to say that when you come here, definitely go inside. You'll need a guide, but definitely go inside. It looks cool from the outside, but it is even cooler, like a million times cooler, on the inside, figuratively and literally. And you might get your hair wind blown, but that's all part of the experience. Our next stop was to meet Carlo, this wonderful woodworker that has all these amazing tools to create the most beautiful designs. He creates mostly chests, big and small, but he has such creativity and artistry, steadiest of hands, and he can do the most intricate of designs. He also spends time on refurbishing and reworking old pieces so that it can be enjoyed for the community. We're on the part of the experience where we are meeting Francesco's family in Aritzo.
Yeah, we're going to have a little experience where we make some bread, make some pasta, eat some lunch. It's going to be delicious.
I'm getting hungry already, so let's go do this. Fresh bread right out of the oven. Oh my gosh. What do you think?
Tasty.
Seriously, this oven is just in this little house, and this is the best thing I've had in a while. We're sitting down to eat with the hosts, and it's gonna be amazing. And while we didn't film that because it actually felt like dinner with family, we did get to try the family's own grappa that they created themselves. What do you think?
Strong. Tasty, strong.
What flavors do you pick up?
Rocket fuel. No, but it smells very caramely actually. If you can, caramely kind of. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna finish it though. It's good. You're gonna have to shoot it. Trust me. It's strong.
We're trying grappa that our wonderful guide has made himself. It's this great caramel color. It smells really strong. It is. It's strong. But it's really cool that around here, because they have so many vineyards, they can use other byproducts of the vineyards to make things like grappa. So he was telling us it's the second press of the grapes that then they can make this, and I think they take the skins as well, and then it goes in wine oak barrels, and that's where you get the color from. But it's always good to try the local spirits when you're in town. Experiences we've done. Doing a local experience, I think, just adds so much to any trip. And the town is absolutely gorgeous. The family is amazing, and we're looking at this view right now.
Wow, what a day! The ruins were amazing, and the cooking experience was so cool. Making the local Sardinian pasta and bread, really great. Would highly recommend.
Yeah, we're finally back in our room. We rented an apartment, and it was just such a cool thing to do, to have that kind of experience while you're here in Sardinia. Thank you so much to Your Sardinia Experience for hosting us on this trip. I think it was probably one of the best things we've ever done while traveling.
Absolutely.
And highly recommend it to anybody. So if you like this video and you want more like them, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the little bell if you want to be reminded when any video pops up. So until next time, guys, bye!